Dude, that fucking sucks. I ran over a tire on the way to work today because I couldn't see it until the freaking very last minute. Now the Lexus has no front lip. As you can see, that's so sad. I've had the lip on this car. That's so sad. That's actually quite upsetting. I've had the lip on this car since I got it. Oh, it looks so funky. Damn it. Okay, I gotta find a lip now. On visual inspection, I mean, bumper securely put on. Held in with like 3-4 bolts and zip ties. Oh, dang, everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. That's what I've noticed. Am I sad? Yeah, because I lost a lip. But it's okay. It's okay. It'll be all right. Hopefully. There's no lip on her no more. And I don't know how I feel about it. It makes it look higher than what it... Higher. I mean, she's not really that low. But... I don't know. I've never seen her without the lip. Very sad. I am devastated because I lost the lip. Oh, fuck. It looks like it got shark teeth. Got a overbite thing going on. I don't know, man. I guess I gotta go freaking find a new body kit with side skirts and rear bumper with valence and everything. Just because my $70 lip for the front, you know, it just ripped off. She got a fucking cat thing for $2 at a yard sale. And I had a major come up. So we went to the car, we were on the way to Home Depot, and I stumbled upon the freaking garage sale, and I found these pair of clearly used vintage YSL freaking pants. Look, YSL Sport, everything has YSL freaking pants. Branded YSL. This is the first thing that caught my eye. And they were $1. YSL denim jeans for $1. That's crazy. Saint Laurent. I wear designer, baby. Yeah. But what's going on right here?
You have your pimples bleeding.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. If any of you guys remember, there was a detour sign here. Somebody stole my detour sign. It's gone. It was right here and it went out to like right here. So now my battery's just hanging. So I need to find a way to secure my battery. What I ended up getting was ratchet straps and then like tie downs, anchor points. Now that I think about it, I think this is plastic. Hold on, let me step in here real quick. Yeah, this is plastic. This is the metal. This is plastic. How is this gonna work, man? So I don't have my drill and I don't want to cut anything right now. So this is what we're working with. They already had 2 tie downs, one right here and one right here. And so I put this one on the side to go ahead and keep it from moving side to side, and this one over the top to go ahead and keep it, you know, from bouncing up. And so far,
I'm no wimp, I'm a jerk!
it's pretty stout. This is only temporary fix for a very long time till I get a garage to go ahead and fix this issue. Yeah, that's the temporary fix to a bigger project later on. Yeah, so that is honestly the main reason why I have not been driving the BMW. I haven't driven it in about 2 weeks, ever since I noticed that the gaping hole in my trunk is even bigger than usual. But now that is fixed, I can drive it and slide it a little bit more often. So we came to Bull. Louis, he just had a thing. Felicity, and I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can beat her again. All right, let's go.
Good.
Woo, there you go. You got some. Now it's Mom's turn. She's winning. You get the strike again? She got a strike, freaking. She's winning by 1. Oh, man. Oh. Okay. I need 3. Yeah, I'm losing. So on the first game, she ended off with 74. I did 71. And it was on a technicality because her second one, she didn't bowl because we got moved. She would have got 67, but I bowled my good bowl, my first good bowl on hers. Yeah, but she won in numbers wise. Let's see if I can redeem it. So 71, 71, and 53. The last round was our last minute. That was it. Yeah, we don't do well under pressure. Now let's go figure out what else to do today. So what's going on right now is there's a Subaru Forester for $1,500, and I've been talking about Subaru Foresters forever since like we sold our other Subaru, and it is a manual. Point is, it's $1,500 manual, and it runs and drives. It's an hour and a half away. I'm trying to lowball the dude to $1,000. Well, he's not biting. So, yeah, I could do the $1,500, but do I want to? No. I'll fill you guys in if I get this card. Stings aren't aligning. The Mercury is in Gatorade right now or something like that, so that's why. So I think we're out on the Forester for this one, boys. Maybe I'll try again later. I don't know. So what's going on right now is we're gonna go get that Subaru Forester right now. I'm just kidding. No, I'm not paying $1,500. We're gonna go to the Freeman Coliseum for that car show thing that's going on. Take Louis and see what we get into. See what happens. We are here and we have baby Louis. Better be worth it because I paid $15 for parking. I think that's a scam. I think they're just there with their Apple Pay fucking shits. Yeah, and I think it was salud. I think it was a scam. I don't think that we needed to pay. We made it inside. Dang.
Ooh, it's a puppy car.
It's a puppy car, huh? It's from a movie. It's from a movie called Dumb and Dumber.
Yeah.
I've never seen it.
Me neither.
No? Maybe you should watch it later.
Maybe.
I watched the movie yesterday.
You watched the movie Dumb and Dumber yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a nice Integra. The flake on this John is crazy.
Shake it. I put a couple forks in there just in case don't make it loud.
Alcohol infused bundt cakes.
They already picked.
All right, we're getting the party box. What does it come with, my guy?
So with the party box, you got the Little Booty Matters. That's the Bacardi coconut rum. You got the Jamaican Me Crazy Jamaican rum. I Don't Give a Fuck is the Puerto Rican rum. Side piece is strawberry margarita with Jose Ram vodka, and then the mudslide Kahlua.
There you go. All right, appreciate you, man.
No problem.
Thank you. Just sick wide body R32.
Oh, these are cute.
They look like little spoons. Dude, this is sick. So freaking wide. So fucking wide.
Trying to just get a little bite, but it's like.
Good. I don't want to get too fucked up and when I'm driving home.
Oh my god.
And press the gas. You gotta go in a circle.
Other way. I don't know if he knows that actually.
No, I don't think so. Turn, 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 turn. There you go, there you go. Turn more, more. Dude, you're going fast. Okay. It's a huge basket. Okay. So I went ahead and cleared this dude out. He had everything like 10 bucks, so I went ahead and bought like 7 things. And some socks and a hat for you, right?
Well, the socks are for you.
Well, the socks are for me, the hat's for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, it's freaking low to the ground. He has it back. So, dark side. So we got 2 tickets to a car giveaway. We're in the drawing.
Corn dog down.
They literally ate only the cheese and threw the rest of it away. Don't judge me, but this is what is it? Horchata iced coffee.
Yep.
It came with whipped cream and cinnamon sugar on the top. Not my first choice, not my last.
This right here is the lucky pile. Out of this pile, I will pull one winner. Here we go. I made sure to mix it up real good this time. It's our final chance. Ladies and gentlemen, whose name is on this ticket? Let me hear it. Come on, come on, come on.
It's mine. It's my name.
Who wants to win this car? Let's go, let's go. Keep the energy going.
I don't care for a Chevy Equinox.
And the winner of the 6 p.m. giveaway for CarFest 2026 on this Sunday night. And we thank you all so much for being here, to our sponsors, our vendors, our volunteers. The winner is
Jaden Barrientos.
Jaden.
So we ended up at a car meet. And I brought the BMW. So now we're gonna go see some cars.
I did an outfit change.
Yeah, she outfit changed same day. It's really low. What? Really low, 86. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see some stuff. Cool little, yeah, cool Honda. What is it, a Jaguar? RSX. Tacoma. There's a Tacoma. There was a cool little Mazda truck earlier. Oh, big donk. I'm looking at thrifting clothes after I'm wearing my thrifted pants, my garage sale pants. Big donk, big donk, big donk.
Feel, but I was caught in the trap. Like how I flip a kid right before I got that sack.
There's so many people around this car. He just pulled in. All right, I heard that this car was gonna be here. I think it's the best car in the whole freaking meet. Look, we got it. It's over here. Look, come on. I think this car is like the best showing, the cleanest car out of the whole meet. Right there. What do you think? Nice, nice. Yeah, I think this car is number Juan. See, look, I think it's number Juan. I think it's freaking sick. You know what I'm saying? Look at the super clean details. It's so clean. It's like not dirty at all. Hell yeah.